Ndewo, hello dear, welcome to Igbo Learning Plug. Today I want to teach you a song that is going to help you to learn Igbo language, and also this song will also help you to learn some parts of the body, especially on the head. So let's go. It goes this way. Adị m ọcha n'ime obi dịkwa asọ n'ime mmụọ, gịnị ga-eme ka ndị ndụ ghara ijere chi m ozi? Adị m ọcha n'ime obi dịkwa asọ n'ime mmụọ, gịnị ga-eme ka ndị ndụ ghara ijere chi m ozi? Ebe nje anya m ahụ ụzọ were ntị m na-anụ ihe, gịnị ga-eme ka m dị ndụ ghara ijere chi m ozi? Adị m ọcha n'ime obi dịkwa asọ n'ime mmụọ, gịnị ga-eme ka m dị ndụ ghara ijere chi m ozi? So the song says, adị m asọ n'ime obi. I am pure, yes. I am pure in spirit. Adị m asọ n'ime obi. Sorry. Adị m ọcha n'ime obi means I am pure at heart. Dịkwa asọ n'ime mmụọ, and I am holy, pure in the spirit, holy. Gịnị ga-eme ka m dị ndụ? Why will I be alive? Ghara ijere chi m ozi, and not worship my God, and not serve my God. Adị m ọcha n'ime obi if I am clean at heart. Dịkwa asọ n'ime mmụọ, I'm pure in the spirit, like holy. Gịnị ga-eme ka m dị ndụ ghara ijere chi m ozi? Why will I be alive and not ghara worship or serve my God? Ebe nje anya m ahụ ụzọ, when I can see with my eyes, were ntị m na-anụ ihe, and I can hear with my ear. Gịnị ga-eme ka m dị ndụ ghara ijere chi m ozi? Why will I be alive? What's the reason that will make me to be alive and not serve my God? So I hope you have learned this song. Again, adị m ọcha n'ime obi dịkwa asọ n'ime mmụọ, gịnị ga-eme ka m dị ndụ ghara ijere chi m ozi? I hope this song has helped you. Sing it over and over again, and note some sounds that you find it difficult to pronounce in Igbo. I know some of them are ghara, ghara ijere chi m ozi. Gịnị ga-eme ka m dị ndụ ghara ijere chi m ozi? You see that song, a sound. I want you to practice it. Let's go together again. Gịnị ga-eme ka m dị ndụ ghara ijere chi m ozi? All right, thank you. That's number one. The second song is, I want you to practice this song. This re sound, I want you to practice it also in this next song I'm going to sing for you. It goes this way. Enwere m mma agha. Excuse me. Enwere m mma agha, Jehova bụ ogologo mma agha nke m nwere. Do you know agha? Say it. Agha is battle, war. And the song says, enwere m mma agha, Jehova bụ ogologo mma agha nke m nwere. Again, enwere m mma agha, Jehova bụ ogologo mma agha nke m nwere. Mma agha ya dị ukwuu, mma agha ya dị ukwuu, mma agha ya dị ukwuu. Mma agha is sword. So the song is saying, I have a sword that I use for battle. Sword. Mma, you know, mma is knife. But when you add aga to it. It's no more knife. It becomes sword in English, but in Igbo it is mma aga. You know, we just have the word mma for knife. Different kinds of, knife. Could be cutlass. We say mog. It could be, kitchen knife. And now this is the one used to go for war, which is sword. So that's mma. I hope you're learning that. Mma. Good. Aga. Good. So let's sing that song. It says, I have a sword, okay, and Jehovah is the sword I have, and that sword is great. Yes, when the Lord is your sword, you can fight all battles for you. So let's sing it again. And don't forget, this re sound is what I want you to practice very well. Okay, let's go. Enwere m mma agha, Jehova bụ ogologo mma agha nke nwere. Enwere m mma agha, Jehova bụ ogologo mma agha nke nwere. Mma agha ya dị ukwuu, mma agha ya dị ukwuu. So when they sing it in the church, some people will be doing, sorry, I'm not a singer, I don't think I sing very well, but some people will be doing treble and bass. I remember those days we used to try to sing. They say, you are treble. Is it treble? And this one you are bass or treble, I don't know. So some people will be doing mma. So I think the women will be doing mma, and the men will be doing mma ya dị ukwuu, mma ya dị ukwuu. So if you're in a group, you can just practice it. Okay. Mma, the men, the bass. Mma ya dị ukwuu, mma ya dị ukwuu, mma ya dị ukwuu. Very, very interesting. I have a sword. Okay, and Jehovah is the sword that I have, and that sword is great. Don't forget, what we're trying to do here is to practice the re sound. Okay, as we are singing, make sure you get the re sound very well, both in the first song and in this one. Don't miss the lesson, even as you enjoy the song. Dalorine. Thank you so much for coming around again on this channel. On this channel, Igbo Learning Plug, we bring to you everything you need to progress in your learning of Igbo language. Don't forget, you can also contact us for your Igbo lesson on the number showing on your screen, or you can contact us through the email. All right, you can send just a WhatsApp message to the numbers showing on your screen, and we'll discuss how to connect. Thank you so much once again. I will see you again in the next video. Bye. And don't forget to subscribe. Binyaka na quality ki sonyere anyị. Binyaka metukwa aka na that like. Yes, ever heard like that place, okay? That you have like button to like and also subscribe to this video. If you want a teacher to guide you in your learning journey, you want a teacher contact, okay, as you learn Igbo language, you can contact me by sending a message across to me on WhatsApp directly. Dalo. Thank you. See you again. Kemesia.